Oh, look at that one.
Oh my goodness. Let me get this. Oh, sorry, getting set up. I just wanted to just admire this moment out here right now. It's so peaceful, and the sun is rising behind me. It's unbelievable. If you can get past how ridiculous I look with this camera over my head, it's good to be back. And we are going to be setting up some tip-ups for some walleyes and for crappies. Sarah and Landon will be joining me later on. It's really good to be back. I'm excited to start filming and a lot more about what's going on in our lives, business side, and what we do on the ice, hunting, fishing, all that good stuff. So hopefully we get a lot of fish today. Hope it's entertaining for you guys. And this is our second go around, is trying to make a first video. Yesterday was a flop. We tried to catch some monster crappies, but that was no go. God is so good, guys. It is just amazing out here right now. Oh, I wish I could just like pause this and just, I don't know, it's just amazing. All right, enough of being, I don't even know what you call it, nostalgic. I don't even know. Mushy. It's time to get after the big fish. All right, here we go. Let's go. Okay, honestly, those are perch, so this wasn't the game plan, but I wasn't expecting to see that many, so I'm just gonna go over here a little bit. Just try like right over here and see if I see anything. Hey, buddy. Look at this. That rod didn't last long. Do you have my other one with you? Yeah, I thought so. Dude, there's perch down here like crazy. I think I'm gonna jig for them. I keep seeing them. Look at them. Yeah. See right there? I might try to jig for them a little bit. See that?
Yeah.
It's definitely perch. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna set up, now that you're here, I'm just gonna set up another flag close by, because there's definitely food here. Here he comes. Oh, here he comes. Right below you. Come on, please be a crappie. Oh, he's already. Oh! Wait, go back down. Come on, turn around. Oh, he's gonna give you redemption, dude. Come on. Oh, he's gonna give you redemption. He turned right back around. Oh. Yes. That attaboy. Redemption, baby. Come on. Be a slabber. Oh yeah. Get up here, baby. Oh, let's go. Attaboy. Yes. I knew they were out here, dude. I knew once we could find them, there'd be big ones. Wow, that's awesome. So he was what, 15 feet? Suspended 15 feet and about how many water? How much feet of water?
15 feet. It's 25 feet here.
Was it 25?
Bottom.
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, he was about 10 feet off the bottom. Dang, that's crazy.
Find another one.
Yep, let's go. Northwood slab. Nice. Okay, get another one. All right, which way? What direction are they?
They're only 5 feet over here.
Okay.
More. The first one's a strike.
The one's higher in the column?
Yeah.
Try going after that top mark then.
That's what I was working on, but he wasn't doing much of anything.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's right there. Here he comes.
Got him? Yep. Oh, attaboy. I got you. Come on. Yes. Let's go.
There's number 2 for the day.
Yes.
Nice. What crappies?
Yes. Let's go. We're on them. I told you they're out here. Right now.
This fish is right there.
Yeah.
Here he comes. He's gonna hit. There he is.
Yes. Let's go. Oh, I messed up.
Here you go.
I messed up.
Go under. I got it.
Okay. I messed up there.
Nice fish.
Yeah. Oh yeah, get that guy. Yes. Show him here.
There we go.
Yeah, buddy.
Another Northwoods crappie.
Nice job.
Beautiful pearl color going through them. Really pretty fish.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. We got dinner now. I'm not even fishing right now. I need to start fishing. I'm having way too much fun watching this guy and looking like a complete... What do I look like right now, Landon?
A YouTuber.
I'm so not a YouTuber though.
Like Jake Paul.
That's hilarious. Going down there. See me?
Way up here.
Oh jeez, I ain't going down.
About 4 feet away right now. What's up?
Oh dude, this is a big mark. There's attention.
There you go.
Got him. My drag is super low right now. My drag is so low right now.
Nice. Oh, look at that one.
Oh my goodness. Let me get this. Oh.
Giant.
Oh. Yes, baby. Let's
Nice
go.
job.
Let's go. Look at that. Jig
Absolute
came right
giant.
out. Let's go. Holy smokes. That's the biggest one of the year so far for me. Look at that. See, these are Landon's fish right here. These are my fish.
It's your first fish you caught.
That's all I needed to do.
I let you have that.
Yeah, you did. Landon let me have that, so. Yes, that is a giant right there.
Generosity of my guiding.
That is a giant right there, baby.
He's 13, I'd say.
You think so?
Yeah, he's 13.
Oh, I love that we got that all on camera too. The camera's rolling, right? It's blinking red. I hope.
It's blinking red.
Okay, good.
He's 13.
Let me see. Let's move this.
So,
Let's see. Let's see. What's 12 and a quarter. That's 12 and a quarter right there.
fish.
Yeah. Oh, that was a slab, man.
Drop down.
Okay.
5 feet off. You should come.
Yeah.
Never mind. He's moving the opposite way.
Is he moving back towards that hole?
No, he's moving that
Just
way.
saying. Let me just keep jigging here. I'll see. Get on top of this thing. Crappie hunting at its finest. I was telling Landon, fight it slow, fight it slow. Literally pulls it out. Guys, it's not a giant, but it'll do.
It'll still feed.
It'll still feed my belly.
This is your Garmin Panoptix Livescope unit. This is your transducer. You control the direction of your transducer by changing the position of it. So if I turn my transducer into this position, this is my flat face. I'm shooting directly straight down to the ground. When I have it this way, right here, which I normally have it in, you can shoot in front of you, whatever direction you're pointing it. That gives you the opportunity to search large bodies of water in a short period of time. See, my example will be, I'm gonna put this in the hole right here. And you can see here, I'm shooting my transducer 22.6 feet down and up to 50 feet over in that direction.
And you aim it with the pole right here. So that's actually shooting this way?
Yep. We'll
Okay.
see if we can find a fish here.
So Landon is actually able to...
And there's a group, these are all 3 fish right here.
Perfect example right now. Landon's actually able to, with the live scope, shoot 40 feet. 40 or 45, 40, about 50 feet actually.
It usually depends on the water, how deep it is. The deeper the water, usually the longer you can shoot.
Right, you can shoot 50 feet.
I can shoot, it's a little hard to see here, those are those 3 fish.
Right.
This is 120 yards right here I'm shooting.
120 yards in each direction. You can cover so much water. And so what he does is he drills 2 holes, one for his transducer and then one for him jigging, because you want to mishap on a big fish. How I messed up over there. How I messed up pulling it out. Oh, we got a flag right now too. Hey Landon, we got a flag. You want to go over there and get it? Okay, we got a flag. But like I was saying, you want to drill 2 holes, one for the transducer and one for your bait jigging down, because obviously how I messed up, you don't want to mess up on a big fish, so, or really on any fish. But let's go get this tip up. I don't feel anything. Ripped off the bait. Yikes. Well, that's a good sign. What do you think it was, a pike or walleye?
Tough to say.
I'm gonna say walleye.
Only way I can tell is if it's on the ice. You should just say that right now.
Nope, nothing yet.
Give one twitch.
Oh, got him. The dead stick, huh?
Definitely.
All right, I don't know how I'm gonna get this transducer out, but I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble right now.
Dead.
Oh, dude, he's a tanker again. He's a tanker again. He's a tanker again, dude. He's a tanker again, dude. The dead stick. I'm not a big fan of the dead stick, but Landon is, and it paid off right there.
Oh, it's deadly.
Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Let's go. I hope you guys are enjoying this, because we definitely are. Oh, man, I'm so pumped right now to get this on film and be back, and oh my gosh, it feels so good to film fish again. It feels so satisfying. Like, obviously, to catch fish. He's on a mission right now. It feels so satisfying. 1, to catch fish, but 2, to get on camera is just it's another beast. Let's go measure him real quick. Yeah, I think he might be 12. What do you guys think? 12? Not as big as this guy here, but let's see. Mouth closed. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Pinch a tail. Let's see if I can get 12 out of him. I don't think I can. Nope. Just shy. Just shy of 12. 11. 11 and 3/4. Yep. 11 and 3/4. Hey, baby. How you doing? Oh, thank you. You were the best wifey ever. Love Love you.
Me too. How many?
What?
How many?
Like 5 or 6, maybe. Oh, we got a flag. We got a flag up. I had to get those fish because the eagles were getting them. Whew. All right, baby, feel them on there? Set them. Set it. Feel them? You on there?
Yes.
Oh, he's close. Where is he?
I don't know. Oh.
Oh, nice. Dude, keeper walleye. Look at that. Nice.
That's a keeper walleye.
Yeah, it is.
So tiny.
Pick him up on the side. Yep.
He's
Pick him up.
little.
Show him to the camera. There you go. Nice job.
He's so cute and small.
He's gonna go right in the frying pan.
Yeah. Hey,
You need the
pal.
pliers.
That's
Yeah,
a pretty big one that you're trying to eat.
Yeah, did he swallow it?
Yeah.
All right, we'll get that out real quick right now. There you go, right there. Yeah, just saw her. Yeah, you're right there. Yeah,
Yeah, I see.
you're good. You're good. Just stay right there. Okay, here he comes. Here he comes.
Away now.
Yep.
All right. Well, we tried, guys. What do we get? 11, 11.75, 12.25, and we got a what? We got 1 walleye, 3 flags, 1 walleye. We tried, guys.
Got a walleye?
Yeah, we got a walleye out there. Yeah, we did. That's about like 13.
I gotta pee.
All right, put her here. Hook and tag on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hook and tag. Oh yeah. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. We're gonna pack up and get back out of here. We gotta go back to work. I got boogers. Sarah's got to pee. Landon's, I think he's gonna take a nap, and then Sarah and I gotta get back to work. We gotta get back to the shop right now. So, all right, let's go. Let's go.